Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M53, and let me show how you can change the screen sleep timer on this device to never. If you'll go to the settings, here choose the display category. At the screen timeout feature, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set by default is 10 minutes. In order to be able to set it to never, we'll need to use the help of the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. Next, once the needed app is found, just click on install and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. Alrighty, now all that it's left to do is to open this application, tap on Don't Show Again, and you gotta make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will ultimately mean that as long as our smartphone is active and running, it will not turn its screen off automatically at all, no matter for how much time the device will be in idle status. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!